Hi, my name is Matthew Peasy, and I'm going to show you how to make a logo using Photoshop CS6 and Cinema 4D. When creating artwork inside of Cinema 4D, it's not uncommon to use Photoshop to build things like textures. So I'm working with this logo inside of Cinema 4D, and I want to apply a texture. But first, I have to create the file. So here inside of Photoshop, I have the texture set up. What I want to do is save it. I'm going to go to the File menu and choose Save As. I'm just going to go ahead and save this on the desktop. After saving it, I'm going to jump back to Cinema 4D. You'll notice down here in my materials, I already have a texture set up. I'm going to go ahead and double click it. When I double click it, it opens up a dialog box. And you'll notice right now there's no associated bitmap. What I want to do is associate the bitmap that we just created inside of Photoshop. To do that, we're going to click on this little triangle and we're going to go ahead and choose the PSD file. Remember, the PSD file is the native Photoshop document, and Cinema 4D has no problem reading that type of document. Once we source the PSD file on the desktop, you may get a warning saying that the PSD is outside of your Cinema 4D projects folder. We'll go ahead and make a copy there, and once you click OK, you'll notice that that texture is now available in your materials list.